Hello and welcome from Runcorn State High School. My name's Darren McGregor and I'm the principal here. Look, I'd just like to say, we really enjoyed hosting the Karawatha event this year in 2021. It's great for our staff and students as well to be involved in this type of event. I'd like to really thank the principals of the 14 primary schools, the parents and the students for getting involved. It really was a fantastic sort of set of workshops. I went in and saw the students each day. I can just say the talent was outstanding. It was amazing to be in a room full of such talented students, and we were very impressed by their sort of dedication and their commitment to the whole process.
Hi everyone, I'm Catherine O'Backer and I'm one of the strings teachers at Karawatha. So Karawatha camp has been designed to give students in the schools in our area more experience of playing in a large ensemble. So most schools are quite a small ensemble at their school, so coming in to play with a big orchestra is a bit mind-blowing and great experience for them, gives them a really big boost. And one of our special guests, Mrs. Stevenson, commented she's been coming for a few years doing the Celtic strings. She's commented each year she comes, the standard is getting higher and higher, so we're really pleased, and us teachers really noticed each year the standard just keeps getting better and better and more kids are coming along and it's just growing, so we're really happy about it. So really great for students to come along. Some of them are a bit shy. I don't know so many people, and they come along and they meet some kids from other schools. They might see someone they met from kindy or swimming or soccer, and there's often connections that happen at camp, and music kids, they're just great kids, and so they network really well, and then they've got some connections to come into high school, so it's really great. Love music camp because we come along and get to work with other instrumental teachers and music teachers, because mostly we're the only music instrumental teacher at our school because we share a room, so it's often a little bit isolated workspace in that regard, working with one of the colleagues. So coming to music camp and you can see other people conducting, working with the kids and get ideas and bounce off each other, so yes, very satisfying professionally as well.
I'd also like to thank my staff who were involved with this, and the instrumental music staff, student mentors from the high schools, from Sunnybank State High School and from Runcorn State High School, and of course to our art staff here who put on this event, but also for doing this film. I think it's great, and it's a pity that we couldn't have the actual concert. Let's hope that 2022 is completely COVID free and that we can have both the workshops and the concerts, and invite most of those students back again just to see what they can do in that year's time in terms of how much they've improved and what we can do, and then hopefully we can invite all of you back as well for the concert next year. So thanks very much, and that's it from me.